Best Home Cooking with Tawynia M Fugate. Stay tuned for new dishes, new videos coming soon. Thank you.
Okay, we're going to cook something to eat. We got sausage, we got beef bologna, and probably some eggs. That is 8 ounces of sausage cut up. And here's our beef bologna. It's Fisher's. Probably take about 12 minutes for the sausage. It was froze when I started cutting on it. And I got this many patties out of 8 ounces. What I've been doing is buying the rolls of sausage because they're cheaper and cutting them in half, and that's how I've been doing it. I have never ate beef bologna in my life, so I hope I like it. Let me know down in the comments below, have y'all ate beef bologna? It smells just like the regular bologna, so I might like it. I hope so, anyway. I've never ate it, though. And I'm 55-year-old. Never. Got toast in the toaster. Sausage is at 145, so we're going to start our eggs. Our toast is done. Y'all need to pray for Mississippi. They got tornadoes that tore up 1,000 houses. And I ain't found out nothing else about it. And pray for our country. A lot of evil here in the United States. A lot of evil people. Okay, we're going to make our eggs. The stove is getting slower and slower every day about cooking. Still no oven. pepper. They put their own salt. Ronnie can. I think that bologna be salty enough, so I'm not putting none on mine. Eggs should be done. Four pieces of sausage. And then Ronnie's eggs. Then Ronnie 2 pieces of bologna. This is Ronnie's. Now the trick to frying an egg is you got to put a little bit of grease in it and to make it slide, or it will not cook. It'll just stick to the pan. That's it. I think my egg is done. There's mine. Okay. That bologna's good, y'all. Dang, it's hot. Thanks for watching. Bye.